We reject Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 because it does not strengthen our democracy, it weakens it. We have grown up believing that every citizen must have an equal voice, that leadership must come from the will of the people. This bill takes us in the opposite direction. It seeks to remove our right to directly elect the president and instead allows parliament to choose on behalf. It replaces one man, one vote with the decisions made by a few. Labda mashoka speech yatogwa na gift usaloziziva yesterday pataiona kuti kwa kune public hearings achachiti why we reject the constitutional amendment bill number 3. People subscribe or like on the bill. We reject the bill because it extends presidential in parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years, keeping leaders in power longer without returning to the people for a fresh mandate. No leader should benefit from changing the rules while already in office. We rejected this bill because it avoids the referendum required by Section 328 of the Constitution. If these changes were truly in the national interest, then citizens themselves must be allowed to decide. We reject this bill because it concentrates more power in the hands of the president, more unelected senators, more control over parliament, more influence over the courts, and more control over elections. A democracy is strongest when people power is shared and institutions remain independent. We reject this bill because it weakens the Zimbabwean Electoral Commission, that undermines the independence of the judiciary and abolishes institutions that protect peace, accountability, and gender equality. These institutions exist to serve the people, not those in power. As a generation, as ordinary people, we cannot remain silent when our constitution is being changed in ways that reduce our voice and our rights. We, the citizens, reject the bill in its entirety. We demand 2 referendums on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Toma developments and talk upon number and gift to Ostalos. Now comment section videos of a mod with each. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.